Hi, what's up mga Lods? Magandang araw sa inyo lahat dyan. Ako po pala si Ruben Sam. Ako po isang seafarer, isang seaman na nagigipak sa palaran sa karagatan para makaahon sa buhay. Kaya ako po nagsasabi na mahirap man at dukha sa tingin, makakaahon din. Mga Lods, ngayong araw na to, ang kakantahin ko ay request po ng aking classmate ng elementary. Request po to ni Christy Marie Raniego Babia. Ting, ito na yung request mo, Ting. Yung Count on You. Bago po ang lahat, kaway-kaway po sa mga kabatchmate ko ng elementary. No? Sa lahat ng batch 1997 sa Mambahaw Central School, Camiguin Island. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Ito natin, susubukan ko na yung request mo.
When I feel like the world's gone bad, I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far. We've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've started this war before they made me blue. All along my heart, I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can't count my worry mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, lost it close to you. Whoa, whoa. wings in the air. No asking why you're there. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worry mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Kaya pala, nagpa-shoutout pala si Mars Kadukot, isang follower. Mars Kadukot, ito na pagpa-shoutout mo. Shoutout din kay Brian Adams Ladika, taga Kibungsod, Magsaysay, Misamis Oriental. Insan, ito na yung pa-shoutout mo. Yung request mo, pinagpraktisan ko pa. Yun lang mga lode. Kung nagustuhan nyo mga lode yung kanta ko, o gusto nyo pang mapanood ulit yung mga susunod ko na mga videos, please follow my FB page or subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you. Yun lang mga lods.